This is Guangdong. This is also Guangdong. You may have heard many stories about Master Shifu. But what if I tell you that Shifu is everywhere in Guangdong?
醒獅師傅，醒獅醒國魂，擊鼓振精神。
This is the line dance Shifu. The drum beats and the line dance awaken the soul. As the footsteps fall, auspicious energy fills the air.
英国武士虎，动画加歌，英雄之歌。
This is Yingge dance Shifu, using Chinese war dance to dispel darkness.
粵劇師傅南國紅豆，粵韻風華。
This is the Cantonese Opera Shifu, singing all kinds of human life on stage.
詠春師傅腰馬合一，手中用中。
This is Wing Chun Shifu, flowing and swift like water, spreading Guangdong martial arts to the world.
龍舟師傅寧可煲蘭，唔好爬。
This is the Dragon Boat Shifu, performing a 1,000-year-old festival tradition, inheriting the Guangdong spirit of striving for excellence.
粵菜師傅食不厭精，膾不厭細。
This is the Shifu of Cantonese cuisine. Every Guangdong delicacy is a gift from the mountains and the sea. Cantonese cuisine Shifu is low-key and unpretentious. They just conquer your heart with a delicious dish. But Guangdong Shifu is more than that. Guangdong Shifu's confidence comes from the longest coastline in China. The sea has witnessed the history of the Guangdong people's hard work. The wisdom of Guangdong Shifu comes from the rolling mountains. This place has a lot of fascinating history and is now creating new legends. Come to Guangdong and you will find endless inspiration here. The traditions, trends, and fantasies from all over the world intersect here. Come to Guangdong. Every step is a new experience. Every day is a new view.